Today we'll talk about the antenna module and the tuner module and the trap module. In the trap module, you need it only if you got a strong station you need to filter out. Otherwise, you can use the antenna module directly. Just fit the antenna through A1 and connect the ground here. You have three different choices. First position, you will have a parallel tuning. The coil and the VC are connected in parallel. The second choice is series tuning. That means you have the coil and the capacitor arranged in a series between the antenna and the ground. The third choice is toggle tuning. After Mr. Mike Toggle, it is very effective in tuning long antennas using two variable capacitors with a single coil. For using the trap module, instead of fitting the antenna directly to the antenna module, you will fit the antenna through A1 in the trap module. The trap module has a ferrite core and there's a toroid coil wound on a 37mm ferrite core. We call R40C1. It's manufactured in China, which is known to have higher Q factor. You wind two coils on the same ferrite core. The first one is L1, 50 turns. The second one is L2, 5 to 10 turns. A rotary switch S1, select which turn in L2 you want to connect through to the antenna module. This will impact the amount of coupling between the trap module and the antenna module. Now let's talk about the tuner module. We have the detector socket here. Instead of hard wiring, we will use a 5-pin header to connect our detector. It can be either a MOSFET using the 4-pin header or the diode using this 4-pin header. So it will allow you to switch different type of detectors easily for testing different effects. The signal from the antenna is coupled through the antenna coil over the air to this tuning coil of the tuner module. So you won't need to wire anything. However, if you want to use the tuner module directly without getting the antenna module, you can feed your antenna wire through either A1 or A2. A1 will work for the longer antenna, A2 works for the shorter antenna. The coil is paired up with 270 PF variable capacitor to form the resonance loop, where you select the tune station to be detected. There's a switch S1 for you to select the number of turns you want to hook up your detector to. This is for matching the impedance, so you got a good energy transfer.